Nag-edit na siya. Okay, ready na? Judgmental naman kasi kayo. Wala sa height na. So, bumalik. Nursery.
Si Jacob tsaka Cesar, hindi kasi nila nakikita. Tusok po kayo dito. Tusok po dito. Yeah, practice. Galing Ezra!
Muli ko din yung kamay ko. Sumandan.
Ayan, para si Elder Black at si Elder Sumiran. Ay, dapat malakas ko yung palakpakan na. Palakpakan! Ayan.
Sabi niya, nagpakit lang naman.
Pero yung unahin po namin yung Oh Holy Night.
Ay, sorry.
Only the world can see and never need to be alone. And the songs were
Ano yung water na sa loob?
thrill of home. The weary soul rejoices beyond the grave.
Nagpawisan na siya.
A new and glorious morn.
Sino?
And it came to pass in those
Oh, hindi
days
ko ba nakita
that
na
there went a decree from Caesar Augustus, and that all the world should be taxed. And all went to be taxed, everyone to his own city. And Joseph also went up from Galilee, out of the city of Nazareth, and to Judea, and to the city of David, which is called Bethlehem, to be thanked when Mary was his spouse wife, being great with the child. And so it was, while they were there, the days were accomplished, that she should be delivered. And she brought forth her firstborn son, and wrapped him in the swaddling clothes, and laid him in a manger, because there was no room for them in the inn.
And there were in the same country shepherds abiding in their fields, keeping watch over their flock by night. And lo, an angel of the Lord came upon them, and the glory of the Lord shone on their background, and they were sore afraid. And the angel said unto them, Fear not, for behold, I bring you good tidings. Find the babe wrapped in swaddling clothes, lying in a manger. And there was with the angel a multitude of heavenly hosts, praising God and singing, Glory to God in the highest, and on earth peace, goodwill for men.
You better listen to us, we're telling you why. Missionaries are coming to you. We're setting appointments and checking it twice. We're gonna find out if you've been baptized. Missionaries are coming to you. We know when you will be, and know if you still pay. We know these things are good for you, so do them for goodness sake. Hey, you better pray now, you better read now. Keep the commandments, we're telling you why. Magsisimba tayo bukas. So, you better prepare, you better stay good, you better serve Him, we're telling you why. You will miss His blessing someday.
Ready na ba? Basta yung mga primary. Okay. Brothers and sisters, sa ating unang game ngayon, tayo ay magpaka-Bring Me!
And make sure na i-ready nyo na po yung mga gamit kasi yung mga prizes po natin, very good po siya.
Yes! Ang ating actually unang prize, no, sa mga Bring Me po natin sa iba po natin mga prize, no, hindi siya basta-basta. Brother Mar, panalo ka? May payong yan.
Sure ako, yung mga ninang dyan, baka nag-withdraw na sa bangko.
Oo nga.
So yung Bring Me, malutong na pera!
Malutong na pera!
Malutong!
Malutong na pera! Tingnan!
Siya!
Malutong na! Sister Eva, may magka! Thank you, sister! So next time natin na Bring Me meron yan, okay?
Dapat malutong. Dapat ganun.
Alright, sisters,
Yung iba na
pwede na ba kayo sa presentation ng ating mga
Yun! Oh my gosh! Ayan na!
disclaimer po, ano? Pinaghandaan po
Oh, yun na siya. Ay, safety. Go, Andy! Ba't ganun yung ano nila, music? Bakit ang music?
Lakasan sana nila. Ano nangyari? Ay, pati
Agayno. Ready?